Uh, some growth strategies. Add everyone you know. Add everyone you know. Add everyone you know. So you meet with someone and you take their listing. Do you add that person to social media? This is an easy question. This is not a trick question. The answer is yes. Do you add your mother on social media? Yes. Do you add your banker on social media? Yeah. There, we're getting there. Do you add your gardener? Do you add your plumber? Do you add your lender? Do you add your title? Do you add your escrow people? Yes. I didn't preface that well. The answer is yes to this. Again, we add everyone we know, your friends, your family, your cousin that lives in Nebraska. Fucking add your cousin. Add everyone you know, your referral partners, your clients. And then add the most important people as your favorites. And so different platforms have different things you can do with this. With just Google how to add a group of people on, or how to add favorites on Facebook, how to add favorites on Instagram. And what you can do then is maybe you add your active client or your past clients as your favorites. You add the people that have referred you the most business on as your favorites. You want to stay top of mind. You want to continue to build those relationships. So that way, when someone calls in and be like, oh yeah, I worked with Whissel before. Who's your agent? I don't know. There's a girl. Do you have any girls that work there? Yeah. Yeah, it was her. Okay. Like, but when you're engaging with them, when you're talking to them, when they're seeing you and especially they're seeing you talk to them about themselves, where people love themselves, that's going to keep you top of mind. That's going to build the relationships. This is how you make sure you don't forget about people. I got a little secret. On Instagram, Whissel unfollowed everyone we followed. We unfollowed 5,000 people and we got banned a couple times because of it. We unfollowed everyone we did, and we followed the most important people to our business. Do you know who that is? You guys. We want to make sure that we're constantly knowing what's going on with you. We're staying in touch with you. We're engaging in you guys, because you guys know who your favorite people are? You guys. You guys love you more than anyone, and I love me more than anyone else. I'm sorry about it. You guys are cool. I'm cooler in my brain. So add your most important people as favorites. Maybe unfollow the people that you don't need to unfollow, or that you don't need to engage with, right? You're like, oh, I follow this person because they have 10,000 followers and I want to blah, 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 blah. But you haven't built a relationship, right? We're building relationships. Engage, like, comment, converse, right? Don't just, oh, I engage, like, okay, it's fine. Engage, have a conversation, ask them a question. That's the easiest way to start a conversation. That's a really cool shirt, Matt. Where did you get it? And if he just does this, then he's weird. Most people will engage. Cool?